Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 41 of Run the Year 2021. We got it in, we got our warm up in, so now what we're going to do is actually start the, it'll be day 11 of the 22-day flat stomach challenge. But first of all, let me welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the channel where we post every day a video of an exercise that will motivate you to get up and move your body, and that's what we're here to do, is get that body moving. So with that, we'll begin the workout. Today is going to be step out planks, and it is we're going to do 20 reps of 10 seconds 3 times, right? 3 sets. So we'll begin. We'll do the first 5 with you, and then we're going to let you guys go. You can work on your own, and we're going to get ours done on this side. So with that, Krista, do we have a timer?
Oh.
We have the timer. Awesome. She's got the timer. Again, we're going to do the first 5 with you, 10 seconds apiece, and then we got 15 more for a total of 10. I'm sorry, for a total of 20 at 10 seconds apiece. So with that, and begin. Step it out. Good job. Okay, that's 1. And begin. Really feel that squeeze in those lower abs. Good job. We're working on the transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor. So those are the muscles, the 2 muscles that we're hitting here. Go ahead. Number 3. Good job. Good job, guys. Good job. I know it's tough, but keep going. Keep going. What is that, number 4?
I'll let you call it. Oh, and I owe you guys an apology. I was wrong the other day.
Yeah.
So I owe you 1.
It's all good. It's all good. So this is number 5.
You tell me.
4.
This is 4.
4. Here we go. Keep that lower midsection tight. Last one, here we go, and we're gonna let you guys go. And begin. Good job. Step it out, squeeze. Good job. Okay, guys, awesome job. Proud of you for getting it in. Hey, I know you won today, so I won't even ask. But if you did, hit me with a hashtag #RickRayPoint. And if you like what you saw, if it's of value to you, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And remember, invest in yourself, invest in your health. We'll talk to you tomorrow.